So this, what I'm clutching in my kebab stained claw, is a special limited edition of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5, specially designed for nostalgic old tossers like myself. It's the Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro, and it's inspired by that classic banger of a mobile, the SGH E700. Cue blank looks from everyone under the age of 30. Of course, that £1,200 asking price isn't quite as retro as the phone, sadly. But what is the deal with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro? Is it worth that sky-high asking price? And if you haven't already subscribed and ding that notifications bell, why on earth not? Answers to all these questions and more possibly coming up. So first up, what do you get stuffed inside of that box, which sports some very minimalist design? Well, inside of that box you get 3 slightly smaller boxes. This one presumably has the actual phone in it, as well as your quick start guide and your USB cable. Next up, the 3 stars. Now this includes a flip suit case which just snaps onto the Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro like so. Extra bit of protection. You also get 3 flip suit cards featuring classic Samsung logos from back in the day. You slip these inside of that protective case, and as you can see, that massively changes up the vibe of the phone. And fun fact, Samsung actually means 3 stars, which as you can see used to be a prominent part of the logo. These stars apparently stand for eternal success and prosperity, and it seems to be working pretty bloody well so far. And you've also got some logo stickers if you just can't get enough of that 3-star action. And that just leaves the 3rd and final box. And inside of this, you've got yourself a special Samsung collector's card engraved with a unique serial number. And of course, a lovely visual representation of that classic E700. And that's everything slapped inside of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro's box. Now, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro comes with just a single color choice, just like the original SGH E700. And that is indigo blue with the same lovely silver edging. The specs and everything are pretty much identical to the original Z Flip 5, but the Retro edition has a few bonus little features chucked in, including a nifty bit of 16-bit cityscape action for that cover screen. And if we flip the phone open, you'll see you've got a matching bit of live wallpaper inside. But of course, Samsung has also chucked on the original Galaxy Z Flip 5 wallpapers if you'd prefer. And so far that seems to be it for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro. I haven't discovered any hidden little Easter eggs, any retro 16-bit games, anything like that. Although it does appear you can only grab this Z Flip 5 with 512 gigs of storage. Apart from that, we're talking the same specs, features and abilities as the regular Galaxy Z Flip 5, which of course I've fully reviewed right here on TechSpert, so I'm not going to go through it all again right here. So what do you reckon of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5 Retro? Do you reckon it's worth that £1,200? It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!